In the fast-paced world of software development, flexibility is everything. Enter the Agile model. Unlike traditional linear methods, Agile is based on an iterative and incremental approach that emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and the ability to pivot quickly. The Agile process moves in rapid incremental cycles across 6 key phases. Requirements gathering. Unlike static documentation, this phase involves continuous collaboration with stakeholders to identify and prioritize user stories. Planning. Work is done in short cycles called sprints. Teams collaboratively pull priorities from a product backlog. Design. This is a collaborative, evolving process that adapts to emerging insights, rather than sticking to a rigid initial blueprint. Implementation. Features are developed in small, functional increments, focusing on delivering value quickly. Testing. Testing happens in parallel with development. This allows for early detection and resolution of defects. Deployment and maintenance. Completed features are released to a staging environment for validation, followed by regular review and feedback sessions for continuous improvement. Advantages of the Agile model. Flexibility and adaptability. The model allows for constant adjustments to meet evolving project requirements. High client satisfaction. Continuous involvement of the client throughout the process ensures that the final product meets their expectations. Early delivery. It enables the early and incremental delivery of functional parts of the product. Continuous improvement. Regular demonstrations and feedback loops facilitate constant refinement of the software. Enhanced collaboration. The model emphasizes improved communication within the team and with stakeholders, fostering a collaborative environment. Disadvantages of the Agile model. Customer availability. The process is highly dependent on the frequent availability of the customer for feedback, which can pose a challenge. Potential for scope creep. Because the model is so flexible in accommodating changes, there is a risk that the project scope will expand beyond its original intent. Coordination complexity. As team sizes increase, coordination challenges can emerge due to the highly collaborative nature of the model. Limited documentation. Agile focuses more on functional software and regular iterations, which can lead to a lack of comprehensive upfront documentation. Requirement sensitivity. This model is not ideal for projects that have very stable, well-defined, and unchanging requirements from the start. Agile is more than just a process. It's a mindset of continuous growth. If you want to master more software development models, hit that like button and subscribe.